Media Choice Television, its presenters, associates, and affiliates may not be liable for views shared on this program. Age restriction and viewer discretion is advised.
Mpuga alowoleza mu ttakwa ate kirikimu alowoleza mu buniero omala mukuba waliwo abaana balowoleza mu buniero omala mukuba batokisi mpuga yeetaaga batokisi. They think that once you don't reason, let us assume how many people have voted Museveni.
So many.
All marijuana smokers.
Yes.
Was he marijuana?
No.
Oyo mpuga tulimuli alowoleza mwanasi. Mpuga yalagawa oyo yafa. Mpuga yalagawa oyo yafa. Bwanika yalagawa oyo yafa. Bobby Wine yalagawa oyo mute. Oyo mute. Oyo mute. Bobby Wine is very stable. Nani? So when oyo muvuka ali confused muveeko. That's a confused guy. Baloya bamulimba nzeka sinze na kuogera naye. I talked to Slowen nakkiriza. Oyo baba va ku simu yange. Jiveeko boboyogera ko oyo mulenzi. Va ku simu yange jiveeko.
Tubalamusizzaako mwebale nnyo tuwagira mwebale nnyo.
Nabagamba bewagira bokka.
Kozi yaabwe. Kozi y'abantu.
Naye baba omanyi tuyingidde miliyoni z'abantu 3. And politics is numbers.
Of course.
Ate social media terimba.
Mazima.
Why? Those people are not mine. International audience and the local audience share one thing in common. They fear organ extraction. People were killing for commercial. And I said we should have a law. Commercial murders must be different. Because I rather do with a cannibal. But a person who attacks hospitals and gets audacity of bringing even his in-law.
I hear cannibals only eat the dead.
But not yes, these are worse. Ono mwana ne munne bitaka kuba kubi. Twitaga bakaso olutwe. Kanu kanka amazi. Kanu komusaga magwabantu mu matansi. We must deal with these people mercilessly. Kubanga the puzzle is biri ku internet aliba wali biro wali muyola kabanga linaduka abane nkumenya mu bitanu kampuni zo zabatala nkuniya kunze mbwani yakunze he must come on his need. How can a man who is representing defeat me? Have not only defeated you, you are completely isolated. Everybody you go, you are chased away, and the international community is yearning to grab you. Every international airport you land at, they grab him like a grasshopper. Bombi, nakana kazunzo faka yini nagasa kagenda kanuka omasoga matan kagambi. The man is attacking my political capital. Yes. What did you do to my nonsense? In Buganda we say a calabash of beer is compensated by a calabash of beer.
Yes.
Nakagamba professor. I want to apologize to him. Professor Nakabuz. With what? We are bankrupt. Jangun kute. Kalenzi gujangun kwaso mutwe. Nzemba kubi miaka 10. Nemba kubana nemba jawo. Ate kunsi mukabuli ne mugulu. Tewali asobola kuyita meeting yafu. Nga Museveni ajise. I respect him. I brave myself. Nakalimo. Nalwaiso ko sat there like packages. Kabuli yanalwese lyako emyezi n'omuliro. Bategera nti kumwokedde ku.
Bagamba wamusonyiwa.
Nedda.
Wamuvaako.
Imagine evidence. Avuma netumweba. Nalweiso. Oliyevuma Katonda lwaki gwo wajja. Kanuko kakagubiru. Akali kasika chapati mukantini kanerega. Ajja kende kwero twalayo nyoko. Omulalu twalayo nyoko. Kabalage twalayo nyoko. Nako kayina kudduka. Nalweisa ina kudduka. Bemanyize mmere nzungu. Ani gwe system statement je yakola. Kubado akatumwebaze kakola fake tape. Singa banzita. Nalweisa kulunu. Abantu bawuliddeko set kulunu ojja kutegula
singa yali amini
nakukinja natula walinga omugugu nalweiso kulunu ojja kukigwako kyewagwako kidicha ateze Museveni yaliwo kyobalaba mbakubatanyega yali aŋŋanyimbye ko ntobaddamu yagambye ono mukoddomi yabadde agenze nga alina gyazira okukima sente mane mugayi you must vomit my man he must vomit my man he will suffer leprosy he will move on he will be crippled by polio he will move on a wheelchair to bring my man in my shrine
ebigenge is
kamusinga yenna muwa ne kulubya bali gula kabuli yange ne basiteeka munga nafa ekyagobeza mironde kantunde emyezi twende yobukalu bindibu mbongenda mu new vision mbakolera ndi mupakasi wamu NBS kwa ina shares this man masikoto ni onole ngani ku sikubene nkumalawo sikubejo ko ndi kufumula munyuma kati what next bagula Germany nzikuba balesa amasimu ne bakaleta milioni 10 nazo namasimu nakakubi omanyi nango omulenza ajogensi omulenza aniedde kugwanga lino yefu he removes in namyalo we should go to PLU any mass musabani ekibina mu kimulekere asikale muno namukodumi agenda ani ku bantu no banyala yesterday let me tell you Tadongo the meeting you had plotting against namyalo was fully captured. And don't waste time to go to the president on Friday because you will be embarrassed.
I see.
It was fully captured. Tadongo. What has Tadongo done? Is the worst Secretary General Musi. Nobody can appoint Tadongo Secretary General in a country like ours. A man who cannot utter a word in Uganda. Where do you mobilize?
Imagine.
Buganda is volatile.
Yes.
You cannot have anybody nebe nanga baluyiga ne boyogera olufu olaba ne mbabazi yaluogera ate ye besije
Museveni tasola ku statement ne gwa
anti ye Museveni aganti Uganda lwange nduogerera mujia kumachate rubaira ondyogera but at least when ogamba 10 million voters where did we see Tadongo Tadongo which area have you visited He's unmovable like a mountain.
I see.
He's crippled maybe. Who is?
But that is your secretary.
In fact, if you ask, if you ask in an exam, who is the secretary general of NRM? People fail it. Ya plan is kuba na mialo. Alinono munebania ono omukokania kubantu nze muyitakania. Omukokania kubantu. Na yamuna. I evaluating obusungu bamuyinako. People hate him. The most hated Ugandan is that man. Because hypocrisy knows everywhere. You attack a Chavazinga. You boast. I feel the Kataka backward. Remember survive by a Wisika. And these people know. I will destroy the Sogak monarchy. He's not a no canonical attack Museveni Yakachawan. Baba Buziza. Museveni yaganye okujayo sente yamugambi nti oyo mulenzi oyo n'obujozi bwenga anoonya mirundi alumba mirundi kwatasobola sijja kumuwa sente kuba balowooza bwe bampa sente baddamu ne basokola bakakuba entwe bajasi bakakuba olutwe kankubulire bakakuba olutwe balwase when we see an increase of accidents bakuba lutwe lwako kanukankana amazi akasiiza kanukanga amazi akasiiza kanukomesa kamagwa abantu mu matansi ewabu wako tekakyali nnyayo ate njagera okulonda kutuuse nte ntwaleyo emizimu kikabire na kumwenda basokola kalioke kaddukeyo n'olutwe lwako n'olutwe no. You see, why should you ask people to vote you? Are you telling us that when you invaded hospitals, you used to separate those who come from your constituents and others? Those who would vote you into the prison, you killed them.
I see.
Why do you take your city?
I think that's why they buy off opponents.
Yes.
Become so
Anti onalowoza and on your protection. And wayagulamu bampuga. And Mpuga is very stupid. I'm telling you. Mpuga is very stupid.
I'm not sure.
There is no Nani Muganda who can make such a stupid statement. How can this country be liberated by marijuana smokers and drunkards? Is the best a drunkard smoker?
Simanyi.
Is the muntu drunker smoker?
Simanyi.
Kati oyo alowoleza mwanasi. Mpuga alowoleza mwanasi. Oyinamala mukuba ku nnyuma obwongo ne butegeera. otherwise Mpuga uses the anus obwongo bwe buli nyuma n'obwabuke
yagambye Museveni gwe bavuganya tanywa mwenge tanywa njaga
ne
kati bwo yagala mujja
let us assess anti tamanyi Mpuga alowoleza mu ttakwa ate kirikimu alowoleza mu buniero omala mukuba oliwo abaana abalowoleza mu buniero omala mukuba batokisi Mpuga yeetaaga batokisi bamunagwa because these people when they are making statements they think that once you don't reason let us assume how many people have fought Museveni.
So many.
All marijuana smokers.
Kawanga semogerere.
Yes. Was he marijuana?
No.
Oyo Mpuga twemuli. Alowoleza mwanasi. And yes, atono ya mukozesa. No. Obulefu bukalinga bwembuze yafa. Obulefu atebwa bwafu. Nekefula akechita, nekefula akagezenye. Toyina magezi kasejo. What if you can steal money intended for embuzi? What if it was a cows? Mukatwali mukoketa tujja kayolawo. Tujja kayola n'obulevu bwako obwembuzi kayola buyuzi
abekimanya tebasobola kudda
Bobby Wine is very stable. In fact, I'm telling you, that has been my argument, that the moment you buy off reasonable people, you remain with the service.
Like Mpuga.
Like a Kenya. Yes. Kenya, what's the problem? They bought all. This is what is affecting Raila. Raila has associated himself with almost every politician, and they know he follows his personal ambitions. Bakalonzo bani bonna bakola nabo. Tebamwetaga noyo kaluwa ajja kumuguma ajja kuko kakati gwe if marijuana smokers where should we go? Should the police come in? And when do you Mpuga uses the anus to breathe to reason. Amara kubitula mu ntebe.
Alowoleza
mwanasi mu buniero. Yes, baka katika nkubuze. For how long a woman who was says in the marriage for a number of years can we wake up? Can she wake up after a quarrel with her husband and he says, my husband is a cannibal?
Nga mu bufumbo
ani abataji fumu naye Mpuga olowoleza mwanasi abantu nga Mpuga ate kukanuka agwanika simanyi mwe kalowoleza ko tuba kalowoleza wa ndoza kalowoleza mu penisi omala kufuka obongo bwako nukali kakazuku ko obongo kamala kufuka kakazuku ko obongo bwako
taira kye yayogedde Mpuga yabyo
stupid andike nkubolira if you have a habit of abusing people who will accommodate you in his party who
itiwali
yes
bobu abusing
no how long have you realized Bobby Wine yabayimbira nyimba twakubanga esada ali gondi bamubuza Obama did you smoke the weed Baba America bachita yes I did in college but after finding that it was not good I abandoned the practice.
Yes
that's
what Obama said.
Yes
after I remember
this is what kakati
ne Bobby Wine yagaba
Bobby Wine kana kalowoleza mu kasolo kako kali tekamanye nti kafunanga 00 praise Bobby Wine. Why do I praise Museveni? Museveni decided ngonani ayagala okunyamu mbombere watu mwebe ninye mutta ninje kabenyo ndonkaso olutwe mbo advise answera amazi tubya advise answera amazi mbonyo vision ngende mbakolere mupakasi oyo this man if he wants to access this man has go try him don't accept who has defeated you have decisively defeated you humiliated you have left you with a bloody nose everywhere you go you are chased away like a rabid dog body jana kwa yo namba goba mugobe esiyo na yatamu wa bujonzi we obomoni yesa kuba vule muntu na muni yomuna kataka alumba na myalo fenechi bina tuchivamu yagambye mbo agenda kuyita aba Piero yu abatwale wa Museveni mbo bagera gundi nenga yabakozesa si yakutamwa whoever associates you arrogant fellow loses is totally isolated edokondi mufumo nyuma ataine enkola embi mbo agenda kubira abantu sente banyime sente nga ngene mu nsozi nze siri ogerako naawe. Why now? Why not 5 years ago? This man cannot defeat me. Who told you to kill people?
I see.
Yes. A person's political career is like playing matatu. And I always praise the Orthodox Church. Once you want to be a bishop, don't get married. Don't involve yourself in married affairs.
Yes.
If you want to remain a mere priest, you marry.
You marry.
If you wanted to be, if this man, where he destroyed his career to engage in organic trade, that's what Mwenda has told him. Nobody can tolerate. Bakuse jamas. Nukavayo n'olukwe nakati baleeta summers nenga kuba talina kyajja kusigaza gyalagayo n'emmandwa yemu okujjako ng'aleese sente zange ne bwana agamba nyenyimesen I will never talk to you gentleman. It should dawn on you. Nobody can reconcile us. Kano kayina kutemba nnyonyi n'olutwe lwako n'olutwe kano kanka amazi akasiza kano komusagama matansi akasiza kano kanka amazi kano kankama kati kagenze kyankwazi enagisi omusagama gwako kugenda kukanukako kakubire ddala.
Kambuze muzeyi Mbuga yagambye nti bano ba Bobi Wine tosobola kusikira Museveni ng'oli ebikoola. Basiiba mu kulya bikoola.
Anti kyenkubuulira. That's what I have nti musiru. When did he realize nti age amala kuiza banango mukatuliki ate nga we Masaka Mbuga alowoleza mwanasi omala mubanyuma Mbuga alowoleza mu Buniero kirekemu Mbuga alowoleza mu Buniero bwanika amala kufuka obwongo omanyi bwofuka mu kina bwofuka mu bwobato ngoyina obuzibu ne uriniyo passing urine what do you do ogenda mu kinaabiro noteekako amazzi negatambula kati agamazzi agayiika gasimuleetinga bodeyo kati bwanika amala kufuka amala kusumula mpale nafuka nalyoka afuna ebyamagezi mu mutwe Mbuga omala mukuba nyuma yalowoleza mwana singa pakisuwogana
buli kyayogera ngasabasajja kabaka yabagamba
Mbuga yalagawa oyo yafa Mbuga yalagawa oyo yafa bwanika yalagawa oyo yafa Bobi Wine yalagawa oyo mute